Hi guys, my name is Cherry, Che for short, and welcome to my channel. Happy 2022 everyone! Today's video is very special because it covers the 2021 CHErage projects, including our big year-end CHErage project called You Subscribe, I Donate Challenge. But here's a quick review of our 2021 CHErage projects. Enjoy!
Nasabing Good Samaritan o sponsor ay nakilala si Cherry Joy F. Villaneta ng CHErity Project na naninira sa Australia. Kaya din sina Raven Ocampo at Geoffrey Fausto ng CHErage Collections na nagkaloob din ng tulong.
para sa ating mga mag-aaral at mga magulang. Ito ay tunay na makakatulong sa kanila, lalong-lalo naman sa panahon ng pandemya dahil dalag lamang ng budget para sa kanilang mga
Time flies really quick, and so are intentions to help people, or bringing rainbow to someone's cloud, as what Miss Raven of our CHErage collection always says. 2020 and 2021 taught us many lessons, including the importance of making every moment count. Therefore, we always strive and give our very best to help people, especially during this pandemic time. Now, in our fourth CHErage project, we call it You Subscribe, I Donate Challenge. The challenge is simple. All you have to do is subscribe and I will donate. Our target is only 500 subscribers, and here are the rewards. If we reach 300 or more subscribers at the end of the challenge period, donation fund of 3,000 pesos will be given to each recipients or participants. If we hit the target of 500 subscribers or more, each participant will receive 5,000 pesos, including a bonus prize of essential gift bags. But what if they double the target? No problem. We double the target, we double the rewards. Each participant will receive 10,000 pesos, including a grand prize of massive essential gift bags. And of course, for this to happen, big thanks to our CHErage collections for helping selecting the groups and individuals to participate in this challenge. So we have the following participant: Miss Kaitlyn, CHErity Warriors, and CHErage Angels. Miss Kaitlyn, as our first participant of our challenge, would be using this opportunity to support her ongoing therapy and recovery from her accident. The second one would be the CHErage Angels.
Hello guys, we are the CHErage Angels!
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel.
This is the group where its members' intention is to help also other students and families with their basic needs.
As a part of CHERAGE Angels, tumutulong na po ako sa simula pa lang ng project hanggang ngayon. Una po, yung pong clothing donation sa mga ITAS. Pangalawa po, yung school supplies donation drive. Yung pang-atlo po, yung school pantry. At ang ngayon po ay yung You Subscribe, I Donate Challenge.
Last but not the least, the CHErity Warriors.
Hi, I'm Brian Alves.
Rose Ocampo,
Kevin Mendoza.
and JP Rivera.
And we are the CHErity Warriors. We, being optimistic, target na po talaga naming makuha yung grand prize at para makuha na rin po namin yung bonus reward. And at the same time, the main objective of this group is to help homeless people and the remaining reward will be fairly distributed on our studies.
So how did we do the challenge? Very simple. The participants will be given a time frame to complete this challenge. And they were advised to send some photos or evidences that they have subscribed. It's not mandatory, but they did it. Lots of them did it. And so, the result of this challenge was very surprisingly shocking. We started from September 19, I believe. We started from September 19, 2021 from 180 subscribers, and only on September 27 we reached already and doubled the target, reaching 1,089 subscribers. So it's not even 1 month. It took them like less than 2 weeks to complete this challenge, to hit and double the target. Kaya naman, nang ma-hit namin ang 1,000 subscribers, isa sa ating mga participants ay napatambling. And because they were able to hit and double the target, they were able to receive the grand prize. First off, we have Miss Kaitlyn to receive her grand prize in support for her recovery and therapy. Again, big thanks to the CHErage family, Miss Raven and Mr. Jeffrey, for your effort in making your way to Miss Kaitlyn to hand over her grand prize.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome from Miss Cherry po.
Thank you, Miss Cher.
Maraming salamat po sa binigay niyong tulong sa anak ko.
Miss Cher. Wala sa akin eh.
Malaking tulong po sa amin po dahil
Dahil pere po. Hindi pa makapagkain.
sa totoo lang po
Maraming salamat po.
amin lang po na po nagkukulang po kami sa financial. Lalong na po sa sa gamit ng
Daily needs. Salamat po. Hindi ko pa alam paano makabami pero nakatatak po kayo. Tapos isipin ko po. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po dahil sa inyo wala. Hindi ko pumadip yung channel to. Maraming salamat. Opa!
And we have CHErity Warriors in receiving their grand prize.
Maraming salamat po.
Hello guys! We are the CHErity Warriors! And now guys, this is the moment of truth. Makakapagbigay na tayo ng tulong sa mga homeless people. Harap na!
salamat.
We are really thankful to every individuals who helped us in terms of the subscription of the YouTube channel. This would not be possible without them, so our victory is also their victory. Because through their subscription, there will be homeless people that will be given some food packs.
We are really grateful for making this project successful. So the rewards will be allocated in our online studies and of course by helping homeless people here in Concepcion.
First, we would like to thank
CHErage Collection for proposing this project to us. Thank you for influencing us on helping those people in need. And of course, thank you so much, Miss Cherry Lanieta, for being kind-hearted. You are a really blessing. May God bless you more. Mabuhay ka po.
And of course, we have the CHErage Angels receiving their grand prize.
By sending message to our friends, we had the opportunity to help in boosting the subscriber of Miss Cherry. Fortunately, we, the CHErage Angel, have reached 500 plus subscribers. So we will surely get some award and we'll finally have a chance to help in the barangay check-in.
And that's our video for today. Of course, 2022 is another year of opportunity for us CHErage family to be more creative in giving help to our communities in a fun and unique way. So please stay tuned with us, stay updated with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and like the Facebook page of CHErage Collection. Thank you guys for watching.